Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Rarest Ferrari becoming a super premium RV pushes the limits of traditional automobiles and into a world of unheard-of luxury and custom engineering. Ferrari, a brand known for its high-performance sports cars and racing history, has never entered the recreational vehicle industry. So this idea is completely speculative. However, one may imagine a genuinely remarkable product by projecting Ferrari's basic values: exclusivity, unmatched performance, elegant design, and painstaking craftsmanship onto the canvas of a motorhome. It would take more than just extending an existing supercar to turn a Rarest Ferrari into a super luxury RV. To guarantee both durability and a distinctly Ferrari driving dynamic, a custom chassis would be required, maybe inspired by or combining aspects of Ferrari's most cutting-edge materials and structural systems. The external design would be a masterwork of automotive sculpture, skillfully fusing the functional requirements of a luxury motorhome with the aggressive, aerodynamic lines of a limited edition Ferrari. Anticipate sweeping curves, functional vents, and perhaps even active aerodynamic components that quietly adjust to improve efficiency and stability. A body made of cutting-edge composites would be adorned with a recognizable Ferrari Rosso Corsa, or maybe a special custom shade, guaranteeing a lightweight but remarkably durable shell. The interior, which is the real super premium RV feature, is a stunning example of Italian luxury and creativity. Every surface would be painstakingly made from the finest materials, including exotic wood veneers, polished carbon fiber, hand-stitched leathers from sustainable sources, and possibly even precious metals, all of which were inspired by Ferrari's most lavish bespoke requests. With large panoramic windows that maximize light and space and possibly include electrochromic dimming capabilities, the layout would be a masterwork of open-plan design. A gourmet kitchen with integrated, premium equipment, a spa-like bathroom with custom fixtures, and an unmatchedly comfortable master suite are among the amenities that would compete with those of a high-end penthouse. Furniture that is specially made, maybe modeled after Ferrari racing seats, would offer both visual appeal and ergonomic support. Ferrari's pursuit of cutting-edge innovation would be reflected in the smooth and intuitive technological integration. The climate, lighting, entertainment, and advanced communication technologies would all be controlled by a complex infotainment system, similar to those in their road cars but enlarged for a home setting. Ferrari's continuous research into self-driving technologies may result in autonomous driving capabilities that provide a more comfortable travel experience. Additionally, unmatched support would be provided by remote car diagnostics and customized concierge services that are available through a specific app. The driving experience would still have the distinctive Ferrari DNA even if it would be different from a low-slung sports vehicle. An improved suspension system with a strong, possibly tuned V12 or hybrid powertrain would enable effortless acceleration and cruising, as well as a wonderfully smooth ride, even over extended distances. Carefully controlled but unavoidable, the engine's sound would serve as a continual reminder of its history. In addition to being a means of transportation, this 2026 Rarest Ferrari Super Premium RV would make a statement as a mobile haven for the ultra-wealthy, representing the height of luxury living and automotive craftsmanship. Due of its intrinsic rarity, it is probably made in incredibly small quantities. Each unit would be a one-of-a-kind collector's item.